welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a special unboxing, and I'm gonna say special unboxing because we are in the month of July and it is my birthday month, and if any of you guys know, I celebrate all month long. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but that's just how I am. Please tell me I'm not the only one that does that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I am so excited to share these with you. They are a little out of my comfort zone. I mean, I do like a lot of flashy things, but these are just a little out of my comfort zone. So this purchase is from Ssense. It came in a box just like this. I will go ahead and open it for you so you can see how it is packaged. Look just like this, and by the look of the box you already know what it is. So I had seen these a couple of times and on the website, and I thought they were super cute, but I never thought that I was gonna ever get them. And then I was on Ssense the other day and they popped up again, and I was like, and I already have the Gucci Ace sneakers with the crystals on the bottom. I will insert a picture here, and I absolutely love those. The only con about those is that they're really heavy, so after a while they just get like a little, you can just feel them on your feet. They're really heavy. But I thought I would give Gucci shoes a shot again, and I found these and I am very happy I got a hold of them. So this is what the box looks like, and that is what the SKU looks like. I did go with the 37.5. Whenever I saw that I got a 37.5, I was like, did I get a 37 or a 38? I honestly, it didn't come with the receipt, so I have no idea what I originally got. I'm gonna have to check the email, but I saw that I got a 37.5, and I don't know, I'm always a 37.5 or a 38, but in sneakers I always go with the 38, just because of course I'm gonna be wearing socks and stuff with them. So they look just like this. I am so excited to share these with you. These are so dope. When I saw them, I was like, wow, those are beautiful. So I got the beautiful Ace sneakers with the bees. Look at how stunning the details are. Like, I cannot get over how beautiful these are. I love the details on these shoes. So on the back, one is red and one is green, and it has like that faux snake skin. They are just so beautiful. I cannot get over these. These are just beautiful shoes. I love them. My brother has the Ace sneakers that say loved on them, and he says that his are super uncomfortable as well. So I'm like, great. But I guess pain is beauty, but I just absolutely loved these. They're super gorgeous. They came stuffed really good, really nicely packaged. This was inside of the foot. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I am just in love with these. These are very, very, very nice. I already tried them on my feet just to make sure that they fit, because whenever I saw the 37.5, I was like, what's going on here? But they fit great. They fit great. They even had a little bit of room, so with a sock, I think it'll be totally fine. But I thought these are super cute, and it's so nice because they're such a like out there pop of shoe that you can just wear it with a black tank top and like some torn light wash jeans, and then pop these on, and they are just gonna look super cute. I'm very happy with these. And of course, the bottoms, let me show you, are really neat. They have like a little dude on here, and then they say Gucci on the bottom. So they are just really stunning shoes. I am very excited to wear these. I will update the box down below on the comfort, but I kind of already know that they're not gonna be so comfortable, unfortunately, but they did come, I didn't even know that. They did come with 2 dust bags. which is cool. And then they did come with an extra pair of laces. And then they came, of course, with their cards. I think that, yeah, like the authenticity card and stuff down here. So that's what it came with. And yeah, I'm just really happy with these. I really was excited to share them with you. So if you're thinking about getting them, I would totally do it. They do retail for $680 and I got them for $600 on Ssense. That's the only reason why I was like, let's go ahead and just try them. If I don't like them, I'll return them. But I got them, and whenever I saw them in person, they were just too stunning. If I don't get that much use out of them, which I plan to, they would look beautiful on my vanity. So either way, I just absolutely love these. I'm really happy with them, and I'm glad I got a hold of them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like. And let me know down below in the comments if your birthday is in July. I would love to know. I always love to say hi to all of my fellow Cancers and almost Leos, because my birthday literally lands on like a cusp date, which means that it literally the next day changes to the Leo sign. And it's weird because Cancers are real calm and collected, and Leos are very feisty, and I definitely feel like I'm way more feisty than calm. So I definitely see more Leo in me than Cancer. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be seeing you very soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.